and some faux leather. So it's totally up to you if you want to make it completely out of felt or completely out of faux leather. That's totally up to you. And you're gonna need some hair clips like these. And sorry guys, that's my food cooking up there. So anyway, and you're also gonna need obviously your Cricut machine and the standard grip mat and a craft glue like E6000, or you can also use some other permanent glue, or you can use a glue gun. So let's get started. All right, so first of all, we gotta upload the SVG file here. So make sure that you download the file from the free SVG file library, the VIP library, save it to your computer, and then open up Design Space at design.cricut.com, and then click on New Project. So you're gonna end up on the canvas. So once you're on canvas, click on Upload, and then upload image, browse for the file. Okay, so where are my hair clips? So there you go. Ta-da, the hair clips are here. So we're gonna click on save. And next I'm gonna click on the file and click on insert images. So there you go. I'm just gonna click on this one and just flip it. Let me ungroup it first. So you cannot edit anything when it's grouped together. You gotta ungroup it first, and then I'm gonna click on flip horizontally, and that is it. So once it's cut, it's gonna be a mirror image of one another. So I can place one under and one over. Hope that makes sense. Same goes for the wing. We need to flip it first. No, sorry, just click on make it. And now you just gotta load your mat and get this thing cut. Next, click on continue. Make sure that your machine is connected. Now from the materials, we're gonna look for felt. So I'm using glitter bonded felt. I'm gonna select that from here and click on done. So as you can see here, you need the rotary blade for this. So let's get started. Connect the blade. Next, to cut out faux leather, just select faux leather paper thin from the materials. And then make sure that you increase the pressure by clicking on more from the drop-down menu, or else it's not going to come out perfectly. All right, now just load the mat and get it cut. Okay, so all the cutting is done, and I have two sets here. So one is cut out from faux leather and the other one is cut out from felt. So it's totally up to you which material you would like to use. So I would definitely go for faux leather because it can hold up much better and it won't get wet and stuff, unlike the felt. I was doubting the cutting of the felt because the machine used the rotary blade, so I was not particularly sure how it's gonna come out, but looks like the maker did a pretty good job in getting all these details. So this is a really amazing machine. All right, now I'm just gonna glue everything and stick it to the hair clips. So first we're gonna start off by putting the wings together.